I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to properly dispose of a helium tank. So let's go ahead and get started. These are the items that you'll need to complete this task. You're going to need a set of pliers. You'll need a hammer. And then for this here, either a screwdriver or a punch. I prefer the punch, but either one can be used. You're also going to need a permanent black marker, and then last but not least, you are going to definitely need a pair of some safety glasses. So this is everything right here. In this particular video, what we're talking about is the small balloon time helium tank that you can purchase at Walmart, Party City, places like that. This process is also the same if you have other kind of small helium tanks as well, but for this particular video, this is the one that we're going to be using right here. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and open up the valve all the way. And this is what we're talking about here. You're going to go ahead and unscrew that to open it completely. Make sure it's all the way open. Keep going until it will not open any further. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the valve and you're going to go ahead and push it down as if you were filling up a balloon. But basically what we're trying to do is to release all the pressure that may be in there to ensure that it's all escaped properly. So let's go ahead and push that down. Go ahead and hold that until, like right now, I can feel a little bit of air still coming out. You want to make sure that that's completely gone, because the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be unscrewing this valve to remove it. You don't want any pressure left in there that can cause that to come flying out. So just make sure you drain it properly. Everything appears to be out, so now we're going to go ahead and remove this valve. So we're going to go ahead and grab our pliers at this point. We're also going to grab our safety glasses. So we're going to go ahead and put the glasses on, because this thing could come off if there is still some pressure left in here. So put these on. Get our pliers adjusted to the right size here, and then we can start removing it. And just gently loosen that. Pretty soon I should be able to finish it off by hand. And there we go. Go ahead and remove that valve. At this point now we're almost done, but I'm going to turn this tank around, and you've got a little bump out right here that needs to be punched out. That's the last step. Let me go ahead and get a close-up so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, and that's where we're going to use either the punch or the screwdriver and use the hammer and bang that out. That's it right there. It's pretty much made to break away, so you give it a nice 1 or 2 hits with either the punch or the screwdriver, and that'll pop right out. We're going to go ahead and finish this up in the garage, because I don't want to be doing that up here on the counter, because this is metal. Don't want to chip the granite, and also don't want to do it on the wood floors. So let's go ahead into the garage. I'll meet you in there, and we'll go ahead and wrap this up there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we're going to take the punch or the screwdriver. You're going to put it right in the center of that little bump out there. We're going to take the hammer, give it a couple good whacks, knock that out, and then we're done. Break that out. Give it another little whack. And that's pretty much good enough because we've got it open, but I'm just going to Try to pop it out completely. There we go. There we go. And that's it. Next, we're going to take our permanent marker. We're going to draw a circle around it and write empty. That way there's no confusion on the other end when they receive it, knowing that it's been completely drained properly and it's ready and it's completely empty. There you go. At this point here, if you have a recycling center that deals with helium tanks, you can take it there. Or in the case here where I live, we have a typical recycling pickup with our trash pickup. I'm just going to go ahead and drop it in here, and we're good to go. If you don't have that, if it's less than 5 gallons, the tank, you can put it just in your standard trash pickup as well. We've properly cleared the air out of it. We've disposed of it properly. It's ready to be recycled, and that's pretty much it. So that wraps up this brief video on how to properly recycle and dispose of a helium tank. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out. If you have any questions, any comments, please send them in. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. So please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.